what is the adjectives. Before going to my class, I am going to tell you one small short story. You have to tell me what is the moral of the story and which proverb related to this story. Okay. So let me start this telling you the story. Once upon a time there were 4 cows. How many cows? Yes, 4 cows. They always live together, stay together. Whenever they go for eating anything, they always go together only. They gaze together, sleep together, stay together, talk each other. They always together only. While seeing this, the one hungry lion was eagerly waiting for eating this lion. But whenever it goes nearby them, they always comes together to attack the lion. So it was very difficult for the lion to eat them. So it was waiting for the time in which time they will be alone, but it doesn't happen any day. But after some times, after some days, these 4 cows fight with each other. They fight with each other and they all went into one direction. They all went into different direction and alone. They all went alone only to gaze, to eat the grasses. So this news was heard by the lion and he thought that it is my turn. I am going to eat the cows one by one. I am going to eat all these cows by one. So it moves near the cow because they are alone, so they can't fight back to the lion. So all these cows were eaten by the lion. So what do you understand from this story? Can you relate? Can you tell me any proverb which suits to this story? Yes, unity is strength. So when we are together with our family or with our friends, if we get any problem, we can face together, right? But if we are alone and we are always fighting with others and we are just being angry with others, means that will be very difficult for us to fight back if any problem comes. So always kind to each other, always help your friends, always kind with your family, don't fight with each other. Okay, so let's start our class. I said the topic is adjective. What is adjectives? Yes, adjectives are the words that describe nouns. Adjectives are the words that describe noun. So what do you understand by the word describe? Describe means it's talk more about the noun. For example, just now I told you one story, right? While starting itself I told you 4 cows. How many cows? 4 cows. So if I am telling you there were cows means it doesn't telling us the correct meaning, right? If I am telling you 4 cows only, we can get more about the noun, about the cows. So those words, the words which describe, which talks about the nouns are the adjective, And also I said hungry lion. Here I am describing about the lion, hungry. That is, it is very hungry. It is waiting for eat something, right? So hungry is a word, is an adjective which talks about the noun. Lion is a noun, and whereas hungry is an adjective. Let me read out the definition for you. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. Do you remember what is noun? Yes, it is the naming word. It is the names of people, places, animals and things. It adds more meaning to the nouns. Adjective add more meaning to the noun, like hungry lion. If I am telling you there was a lion, so I can tell you normally only lion, but if I am describing it hungry lion, the word hungry adds more meaning to the word lion. So adjective helps the noun to add more meaning. Now let's learn what are the words are adjective. What are the words? If the word is talking about something, are adjective. Okay, so here I have written 8 words. All these words, if it is talk about this, all are called adjective. First one, color. If a word talks about the color of a person or a thing, it is an adjective. Example, white teeth, black board. Black is an adjective, and what about the board? Board is a thing name. So thing, that board is a noun. Black board. Black is the color of the board. So it is an adjective. And board is a thing name. So it is a noun. Let's go for second. Size, shape. If the word talks about the size or shape of a thing or person, that is an adjective. Example, big board or big classroom. Classroom is the place name. It is a noun. It is a noun. And big classroom or large classroom. Large and big talks about the size of the classroom. Right? So those words are adjectives. Number. If the word talks about the number, 2 chalk paste, 5 elephants. Here 5, 2. The how many things are there, how many people. If it is talks about how many, those words are adjective. Okay. If I am telling you I have 2 ice creams, here 2 is an adjective and ice cream is a noun. Okay. Adjectives also talk about the taste of a person or taste of a thing. Like I ate a tasty biryani. I ate tasty biryani. Here biryani is a noun and the word tasty, it is very tasty. That is adjective. I ate spicy pizza. I ate spicy pizza. Here spicy means taste of the pizza. So pizza is a noun and the word spicy, it is an adjective. Adjective also talks about the sound. It is also talk about the sound of the noun. That is, I will give you one example. I like to hear melody songs. I like to hear mild song or melody song. Here melody is an adjective. It's talk about the song. It's describe about the song. And the word song is a noun. I like to hear soft songs, mild songs. The soft, mild describe about the sound type. So those words are adjectives. Feeling. Adjectives also represent the feeling. Happy child, sad friend, energetic person. That word happy, energetic, sad, angry, hungry, all those are feelings and those words are adjectives. And it also talk about the quality of a person or a thing. Like strong man. Strong man. Here strong is an adjective and man is a noun. Rich boy. Rich is an adjective and boy is a noun. Clear children? What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. It adds more meaning to the nouns. And what are adjectives? What are the words related to the adjectives? Yes, if the words talk about the color, size or shape, number, taste, sound, feeling, quality. If these words are related to, if these words are adjectives, if any word talks about these things, those words are adjectives. Let's learn with more example for our understanding. So children, I have written some words on the board. Now you have to tell me which word is an adjective and which word is a noun. Okay, so let's read one words like blue birds. Blue birds. Here the word blue describe, it's talk about the color of the bird. So if a word talks about the color of a person or thing, it refers to adjective. It is an adjective. So here blue is an adjective and birds is the name of a animal or bird. So it is a noun. Next word, that is a loud music. Loud music. Here the word loud, it's talk about the sound of the music. It's talk about the sound of the music. So if a word talks about the sound of a thing, it is an adjective. So here which is adjective? Yes, the word loud is an adjective. And what about music? Yes, music is a noun. Now, third word, that is sweet candy. Sweet candy. Can you tell me here which word is an adjective? Is candy an adjective? No. Is sweet an adjective? Yes. How? Yes, it's this word sweet talk about the taste of a candy. It's talk about the taste of a candy. So if a word talks about the taste, then it is an adjective. So here sweet is an adjective and candy is the name of a thing. So it is a noun. It is a noun. Next word, big house. Big house. So here the word big, it talks about the size of the house. Size. If a word talk about the size, it is an adjective. So here which is an adjective, children? Yes, big is an adjective and house, it is the name of a thing or place, so it is a noun. Three friends. Three friends. Here three friends mean this three talks about the number, the total number of the friends. Okay. So here friends is the name of a person, so it is a noun. What about this three? Yes, it talks about the number of a persons or things. So here if a word talks about the number, then it is an adjective. Then three is an adjective. I am writing the short form of adjective. Okay. Then what about friends? Friends is the name of a people or person. So friends is a noun. Next, happy child. Happy child. The child is very happy. Happy represents the feeling of the child. So if any word talks about the feeling, so it is an adjective. So happy is an adjective and child is the name of a person, so it is a noun. Let me give you more example. I am going to ask you a question and you have to tell me which is adjective and which is noun. Okay. I have orange chalk piece. Orange chalk piece. Here which is adjective, children? Yes. Orange is the color of the chalk piece. So orange is an adjective and chalk piece is the name of the thing. So chalk piece is a noun. Okay, let me give you one more example like blue water bottle. I have blue water bottle. Here blue is the color of this water bottle. So blue is an adjective. And water bottle, yes, it is the name of this thing, right? So it is a noun. Blue is an adjective and water bottle is a noun. This water bottle is large. Large water bottle. I am talking about the size of the water bottle. Large means the size of the water bottle. Large water bottle. So large is an adjective and water bottle is a noun. So children, I hope you are clear with this topic, that is adjective. Look around yourself and check out the things and find out the adjective and nouns from those things or persons' names. Okay. Thank you, children.